Alrighty guys, so consecutive integers, take a second, read through it once, underline what you think is important, and then come back and highlight with us. Okay, so consecutive integers are integers that come one after another, right? And then there's consecutive even integers, and then there's consecutive odd integers. So even numbers, we're talking about any number divisible by 2. So you got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, any of those, right? The odd ones are the every other ones, so 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, right? And so on. And consecutive just means in order, right? So one after another. So if you have consecutive integers, we're talking about 11, 12, 13. Those are one right after another. You are not skipping any of those numbers. And so let's just put right here, consecutive equals in order, no skipping, right? So we've got 1, 2, 3. What's another example? We got 10, 11, 12. You can go negative, so -4, -3, -2, going to the right on the number line. If you want the consecutive even ones, I'm just going to abbreviate. Oh, just kidding. Even, we're looking at 2, 4, 6. Let's see, 10, 12, 14, and so on. Then you've got consecutive odd. And again, pause if I'm going too fast. That's the beauty of having these videos. 3, 5, 7, 1, 3, 5, 13, 15, 17. Any of those, right? So just skipping those even numbers, right? And then this part's important, and we're going to be looking at this a lot later on. Consecutive integers, if we look at these rules, right? So remember x, we're using x for any number, right? So if I used x, the next number would be the x plus 1. So if I'm gonna make a table. X plus 1, x plus 2, right? So if you pick any number, say I pick 6. What's 6 plus 1? 7. What's 6 plus 2? 8. So those are your consecutive integers. This will work for any one of them. And that's what's so cool about these algebraic rules. That's what's so cool about x, is that you can make rules for any number, right? So if you pick the number 100, what's 100 plus 1? What's 100 plus 2? Right? And there's your consecutive numbers. Same thing works. So these ones work at the same level, right? So if I take the next one, x plus 2, x plus 4, right? So if I pick any number, we'll go 6 again. 6 plus 2 is 8. 6, so my x, 6 plus 4 is 10. Boom, consecutive even integers. If I pick an odd number, right? Let's just do 7. What's 7 plus 2? 9. What's 7 plus 4? 11, right? So boom, consecutive odd integers. And that's what's so cool about these rules. And later on, you guys are going to be making your own rules. I don't know if that's this year or not. Okay, do some practice problems and you are done.